Every child on this earth has special talents, and remember, their special talent is not directly proportional to the grades they get. So, your child's ability is not determined by the grade that they get in school or the scores that they get in their educational system. It's almost like this, right? Elephants can't swim, a hippo can't climb the tree. Similarly, a dog can't hiss and a snake can't bark. Every animal is different and every animal has its own characteristics and its own personality. Similarly, if you take legends like Lata Mangeshkar and Sachin Tendulkar, if you had asked Lata Mangeshkar to play cricket, she would have failed at it. Likewise, if you had asked Sachin Tendulkar to sing, he would have really sucked at it, right? So every person has their own ability to shine, and it is really ridiculous to compare and pressurize our kids to be equal to other kids, because whatever the other kids are good at, your children may not be good at it, but they may have some special skills that they are exceptionally good at. And as parents, it is our duty to enable them to see that skill and help them to polish that skill so that they can be a legend in that area, right? So it's almost like this. As parents, we need to ensure that we polish our children's special gifts so that they move into that pathway and create a very big, magnificent lifestyle for them slowly and steadily. And it is not going to be causing a lot of stress on them, because that is what they like doing. So there is always going to be a lot of energy coming in from inwards when they are automatically inclined towards a particular activity or a particular interest, because that is what they are willing to do. So when we give them the freedom of choosing what they want to do, automatically there will be a lot of interest and a lot of energy levels which will help them to polish their skills more and grow up the ladder, right? And children are like plants, just like we nurture and care for plants for that to grow into a bigger tree with stronger roots. We need to enable our children to develop their strong roots so that they don't fall when they have to face adversities. They will develop self-confidence only when they develop their self, they understand their self. There is no confidence when there is no self. So we need to understand that our children need to understand themselves first for them to develop more confidence, for them to develop more self-esteem, as well as build their self-image. So everything comes from self. When there is no self, there is nothing, right? So I hope this video was of some value to you guys. If you like the video, please hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for listening to me. Stay safe. Cheers and bye-bye.